Hey YouTubers, we all know that RV tires are expensive, but replacing them at the right time will ultimately save you money and time and trouble by keeping you off the side of the road. And furthermore, replacing your RV tires can save your life. Now, if you don't believe me, I want to share a little bit of a note that we received from an RVer who read the companion blog article I wrote. You'll find that in the video description below. He saw that article and he messaged us afterwards saying that the information quite possibly saved our lives. And he explained how he had put off replacing his RV tires, but after reading my article, he had his RV tires inspected and they discovered a bulge on the outside wall that was ready to blow on the front passenger tire. RV tires are that important, and knowing when to replace them is critical, not only to your enjoyment, but also your safety. I'm Mike Wendland with RV Lifestyle, and I'm going to tell you quickly here now what you need to know about replacing your RV tires. Now, the rule of thumb for changing RV tires is roughly around 3 to 5 years. The consensus in our RV Lifestyle community, when we ask them about that, leans more towards the 5-year end of that estimate. However, that rule of thumb only applies to quality tires that have been well cared for. And by well cared for, we mean RV tires that were never overloaded by a too heavy RV, never underinflated, and never extensively exposed to extreme temperatures or direct sunlight. All of those things can drastically affect the durability of RV tires without affecting their appearance. So they may look like new tires with little tread wear, but that can be very deceiving. Actually, they can even be new tires with no tread wear and still not be safe or reliable. Quality and care matters. And that knowledge brings us to our next big point. If you buy a used RV, you will not necessarily know how well the tires are cared for. And that's why many RVers will tell you immediately they replace the tires whenever they buy a used RV. It's just not worth driving on potentially poorly cared for RV tires that could leave you on the side of the road or worse, in an accident. But if you buy brand new RVs, you're not necessarily off the hook either, because some RV manufacturers and dealers pad their bottom line by installing low quality tires. Some of them are these so-called China bombs that they get at ridiculous low prices from China. And that's why even when you buy new, or a dealer says he, quote, just put new tires on, you should still research the quality of those tires. And if you discover they are a low quality brand, plan to replace them sooner rather than waiting for that 3 to 5 year mark. Now, the next question you're going to have is, how do you know how old your RV tires are? Do you have to dig through your files? Do you have to call the person you bought the RV from? Nope. You just have to look at the tires themselves. Let me tell you a little secret on where you find them. On the tire, they have what's called a DOT number. It's on the outer wall. And a DOT number communicates a lot of information in a short series of numbers, with each number group representing different information. You want to look at the last group of numbers on the DOT number to determine your tire's age. In that last group, the first 2 numbers are the week, not the month, and the second 2 are the year. So be sure and check all of your tires, and then you may want to write them down. But check them all, because some of them may have been replaced at different times. Write it down and keep it with your maintenance records. I can't emphasize enough how important RV tires are. You need to know your stuff. And that's why we've included several links to helpful blog articles that I've written. You'll find them in the description below. Please click on those links, check them out, and they will explain what questions to ask the sellers of a used RV about their tire maintenance schedule, why you should check your tire pressure on every travel day, and then how do you survive an RV tire blowout if you're driving down the road. I'm Mike Wendland with RV Lifestyle. Please click subscribe and you'll get more RV quick tips that'll save you time, money, and headaches. Happy trails.